Okay, everybody. Up next on the heaters list is this 22 or 23-inch tower heater. We had just brought this. out today, along with the others that I need to get cleaned up. This is a very sophisticated looking heater. I don't think that I've ever seen anything like it, but I guarantee you there's more than what meets the eye with this thing. I do not know what brand this is. I don't think that it's anything particularly cheap, because as you can see, it looks to be made out of a wood finish. It is not plastic, so I don't think that it's anything particularly like a replica like some of the other modern heaters that you see now. This is a side view of it. And of course it is fan force. It's got a great big old squirrel blower fan in there. It's got a grounded power cord, as you can see. I did check, and there is some slight damage here on the insulation. The rats, those little stinking rats, have been trying to get to the cord, but I don't see that being problematic. But I am going to seal that up just to be on the safe side. This is the front here. That's the damper. And these are the settings. There's the power. There's the temperature. And I guess that's the fan. There's the hours for how long you want to, for how many hours of usage. And I do believe those are that's the temperature control right there. Cedar is very well constructed. It is not particularly lightweight. It's got definitely has some weight to it. Let's have a look at the back of it here. Okay, so here is some of the information there on the back. And it actually has a date code. Well, if I can find it. Okay, so from what I'm picking up, this was manufactured December 6, 2011. And I guess this was made by a company by the name of Twin Star International. Assembled in China. There are the electricals right there. 120 volts, 115 watts and 60 hertz. And infrared heater. There's the information there, all in Spanish and whatnot. Jordan, if you're watching this, maybe you could chime in and give me some information about this. Maybe I could even try to scroll back on your channel. I'm not exactly sure if you would have one of these, but if you have any whereabouts or any information on this, please let me know if you can, bro. From what I was told, this works very, very well. This spends most of its time in the bedroom, so that's probably the reason why I've never seen it. And I like the finish on this. Maybe it's oak. I'm not entirely sure. but it's real wood. It's not plastic or anything. It's not metal, and it's got some weight to it. Probably weighs maybe about a good 50 or 60 pounds. So let's plug this thing in and see what this thing can do. Okay, so now I have the heater plugged in. I know it's going to be hard to hear because the air purifier running in the background. Okay, came right up to speed there. Okay, so that's the setting for the speeds, and it looks to be a 2-speed. Okay, so that's the temperature. Okay, so I'm not getting anything from the heater. Oh, this is an oscillator too, by the way. Okay, so this is the setting for oscillation. So how cool is that? Maybe this could be a fan and a heater. I am not exactly sure. Like I said, I don't know much about these. Let's throw this up to 75. Alright, so I'm sort of getting a hang of the settings here.